Spice King gonna get you right. You right. Spice King gonna get you right. You right. Whether morning, noon, or night. Whether morning, noon, or night.
This dish is dedicated to all my vegan friends out there who want a vegan dish. So I'm gonna show you how to do a vegan gnocchi. Start off by sauteing some green beans with some Spice King gourmet seasoned salt. Next, we're going to add some freshly blanched gnocchi to this. We're gonna add some frozen okra to that. If you have fresh, use that. We're gonna add some colorful peppers, onions, and fresh garlic, a little bit of celery. We're gonna add some more Spice King gourmet seasoned salt. We're gonna add a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper, a little grate of nutmeg, and we're also gonna add a little bit of tomatoes. These are cherry tomatoes that my neighbor grew. I'm gonna toss it all up together, y'all. And I'm cooking this on high heat so everything sears nicely. Next, we're adding some fresh dill, and we're also adding some fresh squeezed lemon juice. To that, we're gonna add a sprinkling of the Spice King Gourmet all-purpose seasoning, and it's just gonna bring all the flavors together and be so exquisite. Next, add a little splash of white wine to that and just toss it all up together, y'all. Now it's time to serve it. I would like you to put some fresh parsley on top. You can put a drizzle of truffle oil and some scallions. And if you have some vegan cheese, put that on top too. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want the most epic, mouth-watering, delicious party ever, you got to cook with the Spice King. Go to Walmart, Stop and Shop, Big Y, Julasco, and H-E-B, and make sure to pick up these stores. Or you can go to online at keithlorren.com. I'll see you in the stores. Spice King gonna get you right.